Ooh, we're about to eat some beaver.
And some fucking zucchini.
Oh, dude, is it male or female? Oh!
Alright, now you'll take the beaver, you'll take her over, slap her down. Let me take that out of there. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and cut off some of this excess fascia over here.
Is it fat?
It's just the lining around the muscle, man, that it's not really no good to eat. So go ahead and take all that off.
Damn.
And then beaver, time to season her up. So I'm gonna pat her down, dry her up, throw some rub on her, all right? And here we go. We're gonna throw the rub on there. Be real generous with it, you know what I'm saying? This is game meat. And what I'm using is sweet and smoky.
Those romantic bro.
That's all right.
Beaver going in, down the hatch.
Oh my God. Let me show you what I got. This beat is so hot. Oh my God.
Is that bullshit?
I think not. Let me show you what I got. This beat is so hot.
Hey yo, who made it?
I think God. Oh my God.
Oh shit, man.
Oh my God. Let me show you what I got. This beat is so hot. Oh my God.
Is that bullshit?
I think not.
There you go. You got you some beaver.
God dang.
Look at that.
I want a piece.
Well, let's get it.
Damn, cut yourself.
So we're gonna need that. I mean, we might not.
Looks like it's cutting nice and smooth.
We gotta stand on business, you know what I'm saying?
Just stay on fucking business. Oh, flip that thing around. What if we died from beaver blood?
Yeah. Look how tender that is.
Oh, that looks busted.
Like steak, bro.
Bro, that's actually really soft.
It looks like steak.
Pull on that leg right
Oh,
there.
no,
Watch
it's just that fire.
You gotta cut it from the bottom too. Oh, it's like a giant fucking turkey leg.
Fuck yeah. Enjoying their kill. Oops, dude. Nice, dude. All right, if y'all live, I'll eat some of that tomorrow.
Taste the wood in it?
Looks fire, dude.
Real bottom sound. Yeah, real bottom. Couple bullet fragments.